Hello and welcome back to Top 4 Earn channel. Discover why making money online has become incredibly easy, and in this video, I'll reveal a revolutionary AI bot that can earn you $30 per service effortlessly. Yes, you heard it right, this AI bot requires no effort on your part. Prepare to say goodbye to mundane 9-to-5 jobs and welcome the era of financial freedom. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the process, so pay close attention to ensure you don't miss any crucial details for maximizing your earnings. Let's dive in and explore the concept of SMM Follows. SMM Follows is a dedicated website specializing in providing affordable social media marketing services to individuals and businesses. It enables you to purchase likes, follows, views, and other forms of social media engagement at reasonable prices. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is paramount, whether you're an influencer, a business owner, or someone aiming to build their personal brand. Social media holds immense power, and with a significant following and engagement, you can establish credibility, attract more followers, and achieve your goals. This is where SMM Follows becomes invaluable. By offering high-quality and affordable social media engagement services, SMM Follows makes it effortless for anyone to enhance their online presence and attain their social media objectives. Whether you're interested in buying Instagram likes, YouTube views, Twitter followers, or any other type of engagement, SMM Follows has you covered. The platform boasts a diverse range of packages tailored to your specific needs and budget. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters of social media marketing, you can opt for a smaller package with a few hundred likes or followers. Conversely, if you're an experienced pro seeking to elevate your social media game, SMM Follows offers larger packages with thousands of likes or followers. Furthermore, SMM Follows is known for its prompt and efficient service, ensuring you receive your desired engagement rapidly. With this platform, you can save time and effort while witnessing your social media presence flourish. So why wait? Take advantage of the countless opportunities SMM Follows provides and unleash your full potential in the world of social media marketing. SMM Follows ensures prompt and reliable delivery, allowing you to witness almost immediate results. Moreover, they have a dedicated support team available at all times to address any questions or concerns you may have. Let's break down the steps to get started with SMM Follows. Step 1 involves signing up for an account. To begin the money-making process, head over to SMM Follows.com and click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the page. This will redirect you to the registration page where you'll be required to provide some basic information to create your account. Start by selecting a username and password. It's important to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your SMM Follows account. Next, enter and confirm your email address. Then, fill out additional details like your name and country of residence. Once you've provided all the necessary information, click on the Register button to complete the sign-up process. After successfully registering your account, you'll be directed to your SMM Follows dashboard. This is where you can explore and purchase various social media engagement services offered by SMM Follows. Moving on to step 2, we'll focus on finding YouTubers in the workout niche. You might wonder why this step is crucial. By identifying YouTubers in the workout niche, you can offer them your social media engagement services and potentially earn money. YouTubers in this niche heavily rely on viewer engagement to grow their channels and establish their brands. Therefore, by providing them with engagement services, you can assist them in achieving their goals. To find YouTubers in the workout niche, the simplest approach is to utilize the YouTube search bar. Enter keywords related to workouts such as fitness, personal workout, or gym hacks. This will generate a list of relevant videos and channels. Once you've identified a suitable channel, click on it to access the channel page. Within the channel page, navigate to the About section. Here, you'll typically find the YouTuber's contact information, including their business email. Simply copy the provided email address and proceed with offering your services. Copy and paste the email address into a document or spreadsheet as we will need it later. It's important to note that not all YouTubers include a business email in their About section. If you can't find an email address, don't worry. You can try reaching out to them through their social media accounts or by leaving a comment on one of their videos. Another tip is to focus on YouTubers with a relatively small following. These YouTubers may be more open to working with you and utilizing your social media engagement services as they are still growing their audience and seeking ways to increase engagement. Moving on to step 3, we'll discuss how to compose an effective email to YouTube as offering your social media engagement services. Keep in mind that YouTube has received numerous emails daily, so it's crucial to make yours stand out and capture their attention. A personalized and friendly tone can make a significant impact. Begin your email by addressing the YouTuber by their name. This demonstrates that you have taken the time to research their channel and genuinely want to collaborate with them. Next, mention a specific video that you watched and enjoyed. This indicates that you have actively engaged with their content and are not sending generic emails to just anyone. Then, highlight the lack of comments you noticed on the video. This is where you can introduce your social media engagement services. Explain how you can provide positive comments about their video to help them build their brand and increase engagement. Emphasize the significance of engagement on social media and how it can contribute to the YouTuber gaining more trust. Enhance the credibility and trust of their viewers. Finally, express gratitude for their time and consideration and sign off with your name. Here's an example email. Subject: help build your brand with social media engagement. Hello, insert client name. I recently had the opportunity to watch your captivating video titled Insert Video's Title, and I wanted to reach out and express my admiration for your wealth of knowledge in the workout niche. The insights you shared were truly eye-opening. However, I couldn't help but notice the limited number of comments on the video. As you're well aware, viewer engagement plays a pivotal role in establishing trust and credibility. This is where I can lend a helping hand. I specialize in providing a range of social media engagement services, including the generation of positive comments tailored specifically to your video. These comments have the potential to significantly bolster your brand and foster increased engagement on your channel. If you're interested in discovering more about my expertise in social media engagement, I would be thrilled to continue this conversation and answer any queries you may have. Thank you kindly for your valuable time and consideration. Warmest regards, insert your name. I understand that drafting an email can sometimes be challenging, but there's no need to worry. You can always utilize ChatGPT to help you compose the email. Simply provide a prompt like "write an email offering social media engagement services to a YouTuber," and it will generate the entire email for you. Step 4. Fulfill the order with SMM follows. Once you've successfully secured a client through your email outreach, it's time to fulfill their order using SMM follows. To get started, log into your account and navigate to the specific service you wish to use. Enter the relevant information, such as the URL of the video you want to promote or the username of the social media accounts you want to grow. Then, select the desired number of engagements you wish to purchase. Once you've confirmed the order, SMM follows will take care of the rest. They will deliver the engagements to your client's channel or account within the specified time frame. You can be confident that the engagement provided will be of exceptional quality and delivered discreetly. Once you have completed an order, it's a good idea to reach out to the client and request their feedback. This gesture demonstrates your commitment to their satisfaction and allows you to gather valuable insights for enhancing your services. It can also help attract more clients, increase your earnings, and refine your email outreach strategy by targeting specific types of channels or videos that are likely to benefit from your services. The more clients you acquire, the greater number of orders you can fulfill, resulting in increased earning potential. Congratulations! You have now acquired a simple yet effective method to earn $1,000 in 2023 using SMM follows and your social media marketing skills. By following the outlined steps, you can swiftly embark on your journey to making money from the comfort of your own home. If you found this information valuable, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more insightful money-making tips and tricks. We look forward to sharing more with you in the future. This top foreign channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.